Hey guys, Brandon with Blue Pig here, announcing our newest season that's coming out on YouTube called Combat Woodworks. And no, before, Karen, we're not going in combat zones and doing stuff. Unless you want to pay us to, but your bank account better have a lot of zeros behind it and not with a negative or only zeros in it. Anyway, there will be alcohol, there will be gunplay, there will be potty language. So consider yourself forewarned. We're going to build shit that guys want, that guys need, and that guys can do with minimal tools. We might even get Mama Cop to show how to build a couple things so that for once you ladies can sling the wood to your men. That'll probably get edited out. Anyway, with the alcohol and guns, what's the worst that could happen?